Here's Herbert. A hit as he throws there, incomplete.
They'll put a check mark in the box where the defense coordinator was saying, how well can we stay with these receivers if we're in man coverage? Because he just did it on that one. Force the incompletion. That allowed him to get bolder with his pass rush, won't it?
Absolutely. Frees up your guys elsewhere. And they get to him quickly here as he stopped right around the 13. And a stoppage here, a timeout before this third down play takes place. They'll have 2 remaining as we step aside here in this first quarter. They'll fake the handoff. Now Herbert.
Oh, he tries to force it in, and it's intercepted.
Picked off by Stephon Gilmore.
And they... They're going to get the football here at their own 23.
The Texans take over 1st and 10 at their own 23-yard line.
First carry here for Joe Mixon.
And the second wave of tackler. Going to get him as they stop him behind the line. Now after the play, it looks like Texan here slow to get up.
For the medical staff.
A play fake, and now Herbert to throw.
To the sideline and incomplete.
Well, they certainly did a nice job there, picking him up out of the backfield and then running stride for stride with it. That's good coverage, and it led to an incompletion.
Back to the ground with Hall. And able to surge forward for about 5 yards down to the 10. The Texans here on third down putting an extra defender in the secondary. Out of the gun, Herbert. To the end zone, but knocked away and incomplete. So here's Greg Zuerlein now as he'll try for the field goal. And that hits off the left up.
Here is 3rd and 5. Stroud looking to throw.
Nowhere to go here. He lost the football. Taking it right down Broadway. And he takes it. This will be the 8th play of the drive here. 3rd and 4.
Here goes Stroud again. He had a man open. A look around the NFL. We'll have to wait for postgame because we are moving right through halftime and on to the third quarter.
So on now is Greg Zuerlein in a pressure situation. Zuerlein's kick is up and through. And they push the... The New York offense taking over for their next possession. And this game not quite over yet. And we'll likely see them take all 3 timeouts defensively, so they can't just kneel this one out. They're going to have to try to run a few plays. And all the way in. Touchdown.
Jets advance to the next round as we say so long, everybody.
football. Bring...
On third down, Herbert. And this one's dropped for what would have been...
The importance of staying in phase as a defender. He was all over him in coverage, and that really did help force the incompletion.
Oh, and that's not going to do it. Here's Breece Hall on the ground for the first time. And he'll push this upfield and earn them a new set of downs.
This offense will take that from their ground game every time. But I know, because I've been around this league a long time, runs like that, they're really hard to come by. It takes everybody, and maybe a little breakdown there on defense, too, to take advantage of. That is the epitome of staying on schedule. That kind of completion right there on first down, well, it opens up the entirety of the playbook for second down. And the third and short in your back pocket, you can get even more aggressive and take that shot.
And that's good. So that's the end. Third and long for him here. Finds him on the crossing route. And they catch up to him, but not into... Down. Excellent pickup to move the chains. 36 yards in the end. Hall. And he's able to power this forward, but they stop him after 2 yards.
Okay, all right. There's a little progress on first and goal. You keep it safe, you push a little closer, and now you're set up for what you want to do on second down.
Hall's gonna try to smash his way in. And he barrels. Here he is on the long. Defender arrives right as the... Nice field position for the Jets as they come up 1st and 10. And oh, someone stepped in. It's intercepted. Picked up by Dax Hill. And the Bengals... They'll break the huddle and come up on 1st and goal. To throw again, it's Burrow. And he's gonna score. They'll come up 1st and 10. From the red zone now. Touchdowns. Only one. Third down give to Hall. And he's tackled with the first down yardage. Halfway to the marker. It's 2nd and 5. They go right back to Hall. And he got what he could there, only to the 14. Give him 3 yards. That's going to bring up 3rd and 2. It's a design boot. That heater is going to fall to the turf. This one intended for the running back. And now they're left with 4th and short. They'll run for it with Hall. And he got what he could there, only to the 14. Up the gut, they go with Moss. And the middle holds, they don't get... From the 44-yard line now, 1st and 10. Burrow from the gun. Has him on the quick hitter. And out of bounds right at the 40-yard line. The last play before our 2-minute warning.
Here we go. It's now 2nd and 6.
From the 40 on 2nd down. Into the hands of Gesicki. And he's tackled with markers down. This one should be on the defense. Always a point.
Here we go.
They'll run here following the penalty. And they bring him down at the 7-yard line. Halfway there on 1st down. That brings up 2nd and 5.
It's a gain of 5. Brings up 2nd and 5.
11, 12, 11, Thomas. Right in.
Moss with another carry. And he gets them a little closer to the end zone, down to the 6. Timeout taken by New York. That's it. Chance to move the chains here on 3rd and 4.
Here we go. 11 empty. 11 mighty. 11 mighty.
Right back to Moss now. And he'll bring it into... First and 10 now from the 30. A play fake. Now Herbert to throw. Goddard makes the catch. A lot of mess on the move here. And he hits the end zone. Touchdown. Now the offense going to take its 3rd and final timeout. And now they're powerless to stop that clock with a timeout at least. So everything comes down to this onside with less than a minute to go. And that's the Bengals who are on that one. And that's a wrap on this ball game.
Illegal touching. Offense.
A game they were pretty happy with. Wait to see how they respond.
Here we go.
No timeouts remaining here, partner, so they can just run out this clock. With the win in hands, they'll take the knee, let this clock run out.
This is situational football at its best. There's still some time left to bleed off the clock, but the really important thing here is you've got to bleed every second of that clock that you can.
He goes down to a knee, and this one's where they're on their way to the AFC Championship game.